Want to know how to disable your display flag of your current account in snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your snake.io application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this screen right here. And once you're right on this screen, here you should be seeing various options, and now on the top left side you should be seeing a gear icon. So this is your settings. So just simply select it to open up your settings, and now once you have done that, here you should be seeing something known as gameplay that should be right below controls. So just simply select it. Now once you have selected gameplay, here you should be seeing something known as display flag. So to disable it, just simply select off right here, so turn it off, and the display flag should be turned off in game. So you can just simply follow up the same process to turn it on as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.